Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel The Real Civil Engineer. In this video we will cover the procedure for testing vertical piles individually to determine the response of the pile to a static compressive load according to ASTM D1143. Components arrangement of pile load test. Clear distance not less than 2.5 meters from the test pile. All reference beams shall be independent, supported with supports firmly embedded in the ground. Capacity of dial gauges shall have at least a 50 mm travel. Gauges shall have precision of at least 0.25 mm. Load the pile 200% of the pile design load for individual pile, 150% for group of pile. If the design load is 200 metric ton, test load is equal to 400 metric ton. Applying the load in increments of 25% of the design load. 25% load is equal to 50 metric ton. Maintain each load increment until the rate of settlement is not greater than 0.25 mm per hour, but not longer than 2 hours. Remove the total test load any time after 12 hours if the butt settlement over a 1 hour period is not greater than 0.25 mm. Otherwise, allow the total load to remain on the pile for 24 hours. After the required holding time, remove the test load in decrements of 25% of the total load. "25% of total load is equal to 100 metric ton. Remain load 1 hour between decrements. Record the data. Design load, test load, dia of pile, depth of pile, concrete design, capacity of jack, dia of ram, area of ram. Applied pressure load increment. Pressure is equal to load divided by area. Record the displacement reading intervals 15 minutes. Draw the graph load versus displacement. Loading and unloading. Displacement at maximum pressure 4.05 mm. Residual displacement upon 2.12 mm. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.